Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best DEWALT drills in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill / Driver Kit. The DEWALT DCD771C2 20V Max Lithium Ion Compact Drill Driver has a lightweight design with a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit-watts of power. The high-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds 0 to 450 RPMs and 0 to 1500 RPMs. The ergonomic handle allows comfort and control. The tools weighs 3.6 pounds and contains 220 Volt Max Compact Lithium Ion battery packs, a compact charger and durable contractor bag. Compact, lightweight design fits into tight areas. High-performance motor delivers 300 unit-watts out, UWO, of power ability, completing a wide range of applications. High-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 1500 RPM, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. 1/2 inches single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength. Ergonomic handle delivers comfort and control. Tool width, 1.9 inch. Maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. Battery capacity, 1.3 ampere-hour. It is a fairly functional equipment. The highlight, ergonomics, design, weight, materials and assembly are of the best quality. It perforates excellent in wood and metal. In concrete it no longer works in the same way. Number 2. Our second best pick is DEWALT Titanium Drill Bit Set, Pilot Point. Impact-ready titanium drilling accessories now come in Tough Case Plus system, the latest addition to our accessory storage line. The Tough Case Plus system is a connectable case system designed to optimize storage space and keep your impact driver drill bit set organized. The patented bit bar design allows for easy bit removal, and the clear lid allows you to see inside at a glance. Constructed from one solid piece of heavy-duty metal, DEWALT impact-ready titanium drill bits are up to 5 times more durable than 2-piece conventional bits. A patented web taper helps to increase bit strength, and a proprietary pilot point tip delivers speed and clear, burr-free holes, which helps to reduce bit walking. Ideal for metal, wood, and plastic. DEWALT drill bit set has a connectable accessory storage system to optimize storage space. Patented bit bar design of the drill bit set allows easy removal of bits and customizable placement. Clear lid of the titanium drill bit set allows you to easily see contents at glance. Clip latch for secure closing. Small bulk storage size fits inside the small and medium Tough Case Plus, sold separately, ideal for organizing loose bits. Patented web taper increases the rigidity of the bit to decrease potential for bit breakage. Proprietary pilot point tip delivers speed and clear, burr-free holes, which help reduce bit walking. Ideal for metal, wood, and plastic. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill or Driver Kit. This is the best compact cordless drill that DEWALT makes, the DCD771. The DCD791 always finds its way onto our best cordless drills roundup, and for good reason. It's compact, comfortable, powerful, fast, and its LED work light is quite a nice feature as well. DEWALT drill with brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. XR Li-ion batteries with fuel gauge provide this power drill 33% more capacity over standard packs. DEWALT 20V Max drill is compact, 6.9-inch front to back, lightweight, 3.4 pounds, design fits into tight areas. High-speed transmission with 2 speed settings, 0-550/0 to 2000 rpm, delivers up to 30 stir application speeds. Ergonomic comfort grip handle provides ideal balance and tool control. Metal 1/2 inch ratcheting chuck for superior bit gripping strength. 3-mode LED provides lighting in dark or confined spaces up to 20 times brighter than previous model. LED spotlight mode features a 20-minute shut-off function allowing for extended work time in dark or confined spaces. At the time of this posting, the DCD771D2 kit is priced at $179, while the Atomic Drill kit is at its off-season price of $159. For $20 more, the DCD791D2 kit gives you more power, faster speeds, higher capacity batteries, a better built-in LED work light, and a toolbox instead of a soft carrying bag. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill or Driver Kit. With the new DEWALT Atomic 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver, DCD708, you get the same power as the entry-level DCD777 Drill/Driver, but slightly slower speeds and a shorter front-to-back length. The specs are close enough that we expected the new DEWALT Atomic Cordless Drill to replace the DCD777, but were informed by DEWALT that this wouldn't be the case. At the time of this posting, you can find DEWALT Atomic Series 20V Max Cordless Power Tools at independent retailers and Home Depot, but not at Lowe's. When the line first launched, Home Depot touted DEWALT Atomic as an exclusive, and has since given the Atomic line Innovation Awards. If you're looking for a decent compact cordless drill/driver on a budget, the DCD708C2 drill kit sells for $99 seasonally. Any more than $99, and you're probably going to be better off buying something else. DEWALT drill is compact at only 6.3-inch front to back, designed to fit in tight spaces. Power drill with variable speed trigger allows for control and precision on delicate work surfaces. DEWALT 20V drill with brushless motor for efficient performance. 340 UWO max power. Brushless motor. 0 to 450, 0 to 1650 rpm. 6.3 length, drill. Drill launched in 2019. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Drill/Driver 3-Speed, Premium 5.0 Ah kit. If you want the best cordless drill DEWALT has to offer, that would be their DCD991 Drill/Driver or DCD996 Hammer Drill. I have had the pleasure of using DEWALT's DCD996 Hammer Drill, and it's a fantastic performer, landing it and the DCD991 at the top of our best cordless drills list. These drills feature a 3-speed gearbox, giving you an additional speed range compared to most cordless drills' 2-speed options. Unlike DEWALT's compact drills, their premium 3-speed drills come with an auxiliary handle, to help users better manage and control the tool. 820 UWO max power. Brushless motor. 3-speed gearbox. 0-450/0 to 1300/0-2000 rpm. 7.9 length, drill. Drills launched in 2016. The DCD991P2 and DCD996P2 kits ship with 2 5.0 Ah batteries, charger, and toolboxes. Price-wise, you're better off skipping the hammer drill kit and going with the DCK299P2 combo kit instead, which also gives you a brushless impact driver, but for the same $299 as the hammer drill-only kit. Or there's the DCKD1T1 kit, which comes with an impact driver, 1 2.0 Ah battery, and 1 6.0 Ah flex volt battery. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.